Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? I'm doing marvelous. Today I'm going to taste test the Samyang Carbonara noodles. So these are spicy and cheesy. The last ones that I did, the black pack, they were just regular spicy. And I did a little challenge, but today is not a challenge. It's just going to be a tester. I got two little tiger prawn shrimps that I had left over, but I just was like, let me just steam them with them. I'm gonna just jump right in. So this is the powder, which is the cheese. When I was reading the back, because they got like mushrooms on the picture, but I guess they saying like you can add your own mushrooms. I'm looking, I'm like, it's so much sodium. Sodium this, sodium that. And look at me just adding all of the sodium in, right? Happy hump day. It's supposed to be a storm starting tomorrow, which is not good because I gotta work tomorrow. I got a little bit of almond milk and I got some water. So hopefully that'll cool my mouth down. I think my spice level is getting up there though. Like, shout out to one of my coworkers, Christine. She's African, so she's been making like a lot of African food lately and giving me some. I done had the fufu and igusi. That was my first time trying it. Oh my God, that's a story to tell. And I done had the pepper soup the other day. Oh my God, that's another. They're like quick stories. Look at me, I'm trying to get every little bit out of here. I don't even know why. Let me put these little shrimpies over here just so I can stir this up. The noodles are sticking together. I should have put a little oil in them. Oh man. Yeah, I just like threw them on the stove. These joints looking a little too dry. Threw them on the stove and I let them sit in the strainer. I gotta get these apart. I don't know who told me to stir with some chopsticks. Like, I see something. I'm about to say that must be. I guess they look a little different because it's the cheese pack in it. I'm guessing. Of course, I'm gonna eat the shrimp first because I want to save that hot stuff for later. I think I stirred it up good enough. If not, too bad. I actually was like craving noodles, so I'm like, let me just, I always make a mess. Let me put these back up here really fast so I can just get like a little quick thumbnail picture. And then I'll eat the shrimp and whatever. One of these joints about to fall. Sorry, I'm always making a mess. Ooh, I had a noodle over there. I'm just basically trying to, I got powder all over the place. I act just like a kid. All right, so. Now, why is the shrimp? All right, that's cool, $4.50. Perfect. All right, let me eat these. Or whatever. Yeah, I think about it, I ain't got no sauce. Definitely not dipping them in that. I don't want my mouth to be hot before I taste them and like really eat them. These shrimp is so good. Like, they even good without seasoning. Like, I don't got nothing on them. No butter, no garlic, no nothing. Just all shrimp. And they be like super big. All right, so let's just jump right in to this madness. First bite is a big bite. Ooh, yeah, they spicy. If you ask me, the cheese ain't helping. If it was supposed to. These joints got my head sweating. I only put a little bit of milk in the cup because I don't want to like mess up my stomach. The first time I had spicy noodles, I had like probably like a whole, I don't know, I think I drank a whole cup of milk and my stomach was hurting afterwards. Like, I guess the spice mixed with the dairy just wasn't mashing up. Like, this is good, but they spicy. So they basically, they give me like, they the same spice level as the other ones, just with cheese added. And there's some other ones I want to try, habanero lime. I've been seeing a lot of people eat them on TikTok. Oh, I know they got habanero and lime. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. That's a crazy combination. Like, first of all, the lime enhanced anything you put it with. I mean, anything you use it on. The habanero is already hot. Like, I'm not ready for no storm. I hate the snow. I hate the cold. I don't like cold weather. Probably because I'm a summer baby, low-key. I was born in June, the beginning, though. So I'm really a spring baby, but same thing. Uh-oh, almost caught me again. My dog not in front of me today because she probably know this joint hot. She probably like, I don't want that. you could keep that to yourself. Ooh. I thought I was about to get a cold because I had like a little sore throat earlier. I think this is gonna clear everything out. And I be getting these joints from the noodles from the Asian market, HMart. All done. Ooh, excuse me. See, I told y'all my spice level was getting there because I don't even need the milk right away. Like, yeah, my mouth on fire. It's burning. But it's not like I said, it's not unbearable to the point where as though I need milk and water and something right now to stop it. And trust me, those noodles is hot. They really hot. I'm gonna just drink a little bit of the milk. Like, vanilla almond milk. All right, y'all, so I'm about to wrap this video up. Like, subscribe, share, comment on my video, all of the good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.